Hi guys, my name is Lucia Modhoni from the SWOTE Hub. Our core purpose of the SWOTE Hub is to nurture practical IT and business skills on young youths and enable them become qualified, responsible business owners. Besides SWOTE Tech Queen, which is an all-girl tech team meeting regularly, we also have a special coding group. Our next big dream is to start digital fabrication using the 3D printer. There are about 15 startups registered for Eastern Sri Africa, which is turning e-waste into functional electronic material. These and other startups dream of taking their products beyond the prototype stage, and the 3D printer is the solution. Finally, these startups are kindly asking you to visit www.1%club.com and donate at SWOTE Hub page.